Hey guys, well, guess what? I got a nail in my GLC, and you can do this temporary. I know they wouldn't recommend it, and I'm not driving on it. What you're looking at is an RS3 rim, the rear one, the 235 3519s on a GLC 63 because we got a nail in it. And I just got the tire back from Wheelworks. Those guys are awesome. They patch up the hole with precision. There it is, the vulcanized patch and everything, done professionally. The car only has 1,200 miles, and yes, that's my first nail. Anyways, just showing that's what you can do temporarily, because the Audi has the same 5x112 bolt pattern, and I needed to, I just took it to the shop because I didn't have time. I just want to drop off the tire, not the whole car, because it's new. So I'm gonna just put this baby back on. Alright, I'm taking the wheel off, and it's always good to have one of these ring holders to hold it in place, or whatever you call that thing, a stud guide. So when you remove the final nut, it don't just freaking fall to the ground. And you can just pull that off. And there you go. The giant 14.3-inch rotor on the rear of the GLC. Massive. The Audi has 14.6, so yeah, there's no comparison in the width here. And I compare it against the GLC's width. As you can see, it's a much taller, bigger tire. It's 20-inch. I think the rear are 20 by 10s, and those are 19 by 8s. 235 3519s and two 95 40 20s. It's going to be upgraded soon though. Let's get these on. Alright, I just spun those back on, and I'm just going to lower it now, and we'll be done after I removed it. There, as you guys can see already, it's lowered with the Rentec lowering air springs, but it'll readjust after I start it again. Anyways, that's pretty much 101. I think it's like 110 foot-pounds I have to do with these. It's a lot. Anyways, I hope that was entertaining.